Hi everybody. You may want sometimes to change the speed of your animation. There are many ways to make this. You can speed it up or slow down. The first and easiest way is to select the keyframes and reposition them. If you increase the space between keyframes, you slow it down. If you decrease the space between the two keyframes, you speed it up. Let's see now. Let's press U. Now we have simple animation of position and rotation. Let's see it. The ball moves from the left to the right in a slow motion. If you want to speed it up, simply you can move the frames closer. As you see, the animation has speeded up. If you slow it down, you can move it away. The same movement happens instead of 2 seconds happens in 20 seconds. So it becomes more slow. You can move between, don't forget that you can move between two keyframes by the shortcuts J and K. You can also, while moving the keyframe and dragging, you can hold shift to snap them to other keyframes and snap them to the timeline. It allows you to preserve the relative relationship between keyframes. Let's move this two keyframes here and move to the second two and change the position of the ball, and in second 4 change the position again. Now we have 4 position keyframes. What if we want to change not only the position of one keyframes, we want to squeeze all the whole duration of the animation without changing the relative relationship between keyframes? We can select all keyframe, hold Alt, and then as you can see, we can squeeze the animation and preserve the relationship between the keyframes. It's very useful. Don't forget that if you want to put a keyframe, if you press on the stopwatch, you will remove all the keyframes. Let's undo Ctrl Z. You should press here to move another keyframe, or simply if you just change the quality of the property, it will put a keyframe. To move between keyframe, as we said before, you can move by J and K or by pressing on these two arrows, left and right arrows here. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you.